The end of Power Book 3, Raising Kanan Season 1 featured a devastating fracture in the father-daughter relationship between Marvin and Jukebox. Marvin attacked and nearly killed Jukebox over her sexuality. HollywoodLife chatted exclusively with Hailey Kilgore about whether or not Marvin and Jukebox could ever repair their relationship. Me as an artist, as an actor, I was very excited to know what happened next. Hailey told HollywoodLife. I think if you were to ask Juke, she'd be like, nah, I'm good. That's a relationship that is going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of work to see if they can repair that. In the second season, Jukebox will be crossing paths with her mother Kenya, played by LaToya Lockett, who left Jukebox when she was a child. The cool thing about those two is that they're figuring their own lives out, and they're coming together at a very interesting time in their lives, Hailey continued. And so it's really exciting to see how they find each other and how that relationship unfolds. As Jukebox deals with the complications with her mother and father, the family as a whole will be tested like never before. Kanan is dealing with Rack, who still has yet to reveal that debt. Howard is his real father. Articles trending now. Trending now. Joan Collins, 89, looks sensational in a blue bikini on vacation with BF Percy Gibson, 57. Justin Sylvester seemingly pushes Jenna Bush Hager after she gets too close on Today's Show. Watch. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez spotted boarding a private jet with kids ahead of his 50th birthday. I think that Jukebox is starting to see the world for what it really is, and she is maturing at a rate that is a lot faster than Kanan, and we'll see how they start to differentiate in thought and opinion and fact. I'm excited to see how that relationship starts to unfold, Hailey said of Jukebox and Kanan's relationship in Season 2. Jukebox's relationship with Nicole came to a tragic end after Nicole died of a drug overdose. When asked if Jukebox may have romance in Season 2, Hailey teased, maybe so. Maybe. Power Book 3, Raising Kanan Season 2 will air Sundays on Stars.